In the previous class we'll discuss the topic, crops around us. Crops are plant grown to provide food, clothing and more. Common crops around us are mango, orange, maize and many more. In today's class we will be explaining the topic parts of crop plants. The part of crop plants can be classified in two types: the shoot system and root system. The shoot system consists of the leaves is a part of crop plants, fruits, flowers, and stem. The root system consists of root or root hair. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.